Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to cook chicken veggie pizza without oven, without cheese. So let's start the preparation. First of all, for the dough I will add a cup of all-purpose flour, a half tablespoon of salt, a half tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of oil, a cup of warm water, and I will mix it well until it turns into a proper dough form. Like this. Now I will cover it with a wet cloth until it rises well. Now for the chicken, I will marinate chicken with these ingredients written here. For 5 to 6 minutes of marination, I will cook the chicken in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil until it changes its color and cook well. After cooking it well, I will add a tablespoon of garam masala. For the veggies, I am using tomatoes, green bell pepper and onion. Cut them into a safe shape and same size, then add a little bit of vinegar so that they remain fresh and crunchy. Now I will add black pepper, a little bit of black pepper for taste. Now for making white sauce, I will add a tablespoon of ginger in oil and I will cook it until it turns light brown. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in it and mix it well and cook it well until it turns a golden brown, changes its color and aroma appears. Cooking the flour well, I will add a half cup of milk full of cream and a half teaspoon of black pepper for taste and a teaspoon of salt. Then I will mix it well. For assembling the things, I have white sauce, pizza pan, cooked chicken, fresh veggies, pizza dough and pizza sauce. Put 3 to 4 drops of oil in pizza pan and spread it all around and make the dough an oval shape and then fix it in the pan and make a little holes with the help of fork. Now add pizza sauce and spread it all around. Now add the white sauce and spread it. Now add chicken and fresh veggies and then put a little bit of black olives on the top. Then put it into a preheated pan. Cook it on low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. The pizza is ready. Now cut it and eat and enjoy. Thank you so much.